Right, good morning everyone, welcome back. 31st of December 2025. We're here in Rothdene, Meyerton, and we're going to install a Centurion D6 Smart. It's a new gate. It's got these plastic supports, interesting concept, can work. And then we need to fit our steel platform into position. So it's not completely level. We'll just cut it down, the concrete, so that we can get it level, weld it at the back, add some extra bolts and nuts to prevent the platform from being lifted and or removed, and yeah, do the gate motor. So stay tuned. It's always nice to have a lacquer platform onto which you can mount your steel base plate. So what we've done is we've just ground the concrete just to get it level, and then our steel platform, we've welded it there at the back onto the steel ground track. Then we've drilled 3 holes into it, into the steel platform, and we're going to secure it there down further with screws. So what we do is we test fit everything before we weld everything down. So this is just the anti-theft bracket on the steel base plate. I mean, you can see it's coming apart easily. I'm going to stand back with the camera. Okay. Right. Remember, this is the generic anti-theft. You can see the anti-theft bracket ears. They're all lined up correctly. We're now going to weld them onto the gate motor steel base plate. We are busy painting the steel platform. So quickly pan it. So the steel platform has got 3 coach screws that's mounted, 2 on the sides, 1 in the center, and then we did another welding run at the back. It's not that I don't trust my welding, I just normally overdo things. Then if we move to the gate motor, you can see the booklet there. So what we've done here is we have engraved the serial number with the address on the gate motor cover, on the controller card holder, and then obviously onto the base of the gate motor as well. There you can see it. That's the gate motor serial number, so that will correspond with the one that we have on the motor. So we do not engrave the controller cards, and nor do we engrave the power supplies. I'm just going to quickly pan in there so that we do have it on record. Right, again here, cover that houses the batteries, and there's the gate motor power supply. And there's the remote and the keys and the bolts and nuts that we're going to use just now. Right, let's get going. Right, if you look at it from this side, our gate motor is standing upright. We've checked the spacing between the gate motor pinion gear and the steel sliding gate. We are going to use 30 by 30 by 3 millimeter angle irons on it. So that's a test fitting. If I move like this and hold it like that, the gate's quite straight. I'm just going to move it like that. So you can see that the distance is staying the same all over roundabout. And if we then use a 30 by 30 angle iron bracket, you can see there it's going to work well with our gate motor. So we can now weld our gate motor into position. You'll see we still have adjustments that we can make. We can move the gate motor forward or backwards. So yeah, let me quickly weld it down. Right guys, from here you can see our gate motor steel base plate has been welded into position. The gate's been bolted down into position. Gate motor is level, nice and upright, and it's parallel with the steel sliding gate. Our electrical cable, you can see there's quite a long section there. We've cut a slot on the bottom of the steel base plate, and then we fed the electrical cable through there. Most probably do something with it, hide it nicely. So yeah, just time for the steel rack. We've joined that, and we've painted it. We can now weld it into position. Right, our steel gate rail has been welded onto the steel sliding gate. The startup sections, there's quite a large bracket on this section. We've also rounded it off there. So the brackets are 500 millimeters apart. We're just busy painting it. So yeah, time to fit all of the electronics in, connect the wires and do setup. Right guys, we're done with this installation here in Kookris, Meyerton, Rothdene. Let's quickly test it. So this is a Centurion D6 Smart 24 volt sliding gate motor. Right, this is the last installation for 2025. So guys, you know what to do. You can just give Porty a call. 083 778 2288. You can check us out on SmartGates.co.za. You can check us out on exquisitesecurity.co.za. Thanks for all of the support and thanks for watching. Be safe.